Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to insert new page in a PDF file for free in Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you, say I have one video file, right? So let me open it. So you can see this is a video file, right? So how you can insert here a new page inside this PDF file. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search, just search for one application name as LibreOffice, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see above download, just click on it and just select this download LibreOffice, and below you can see here choose your operating system. So you can click on this down arrow and you can select your respective operating system depending upon which operating system you are using right now on your respective computer. So I've already downloaded this file, so I'm not going to do it again. So you can click on download to download this file firstly, and after that just go to the folder where you have downloaded this software. Just double click it to run the software installer. So just click on next, click on next, click on install and wait for a few seconds until the complete installation is done. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish, and now you can see a shortcut icon of the respective software, and so just double click it to open the software. So right now you can see the user interface of this software, right? So I'm not going to discuss what are the features it's going to provide. So what you need to do is now just drag the PDF file here, click on OK. Now in order to add a PDF file, what you need to do here is, say I want to add a PDF file just below this page number 1, then just select the page number 1, and after that you can see on the above page, right? So just click on this page option, and now you can see here a new page. Just click on it. Voila, now a new blank page has been added. So if you want to add any text, image or anything here, then you can do it also. So you can see on the above insert, just click on it, and below you can see here a text box. Just select it and just select the box where you want to type. So let me type it. Even you can move this wherever you want to move. Even you can resize this box, and even if you want to add an image also, just go to the same option, insert, just click on it and select the image. Now locate to the folder where you save the image, select the image, click on open. Now you can resize it wherever you like. So I'll just place it here. So finally we have added a new page in a PDF file, right? So if you want to add a new page just next to the page number 3, then just select the page number 3 and just click on the page and click on new page, and similarly you can insert any text or images whichever you like. So let me put a text box here again. Just let me type testing. Let me resize it. So finally we have added a new page on the respective page number. So you can see the page number are already arranged itself, so don't worry about this. So once you are done inserting new pages in the respective PDF file, then just go to the file and you can see your export as, and just select this export directly as PDF. Just click on it. Now you can rename or give a name anything you wish to give, and click on save. Now let us minimize this and let us check if it really gonna works or not. So you can see here finally a new pages has been added to the respective PDF file. So you can see here So let me show you the original one. So this is the original one. So there is no new pages being added on the original one, and in the edited one we have added 2 pages. So you can see this is the new pages that we have added on the respective PDF file. So this is the way to insert a new page in a PDF file for free in Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So if you never known about this cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.